Oh, hello. Yeah, I'm talking to you. Channel subscribe किया? Okay, so before we begin, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Okay, so after a very long time, on a special request, I have created this makeup tutorial for you. So basically, I've created this eye makeup look only using L'Oreal products. Go enjoy the video and do not forget to comment. See you in the end. Okay, so my base and my foundation is already done, and I'm sure you know by now that I'm gonna do my eye makeup only using L'Oreal products. And none of the product is extremely expensive, they're all affordable products. So before I start, I would just tie up my hair, pin them up for convenience, and after this, I would be concentrating on my eye makeup, and it's going to be a voiceover. And I really hope that your lockdown is going great. Stay safe, guys. It's better to stay indoors. Just enhance your makeup skills, enhance your skills, learn whatever you feel like learning, and you've not got time for that in your regular routine. So do all of it. Okay, so now we can start. As my foundation is already done, my base is ready. It's very important to put some loose powder to avoid any kind of fallout from the eyeshadow, because I really do not want to go again with my base. I don't want to correct it again. So yes, it's the most important step. And now let's come to the eyeshadow. This is the L'Oreal Paris. Okay, so my sister literally got it from Paris for me. The palette name is Berry Much Love. So it has all berry kind of shades, and it has nude shades, orange, pink, purple, blue, and a silver as well. So it's a very multiple usage palette. I really like it, and it's not very expensive. I think it's for 13 or 1400, but it's one palette you can have and you're good to go. If you don't want to invest in a lot of palettes, then okay, this is one palette. Just invest on this, and the pigmentation is quite good, and the color range, that is phenomenal. Our transition shade is done, and now we'll start with the darker color. It's kind of a metallic bluey shade. So I'll go over with my medium sized brush. When I was doing the transition shade, I was using a very fluffy brush, so this one is comparatively not that fluffy. So can you see I'm making that arc, a C kind of a shape, inverted C, I would say. So again, in a wiper like motion. If you've been following my videos, then I'm sure you know how to use your brushes. In case you still have any problem, you can just comment below, and you can DM to me on Instagram, so that I can make a separate video on how to use your brushes and what is the usage of different kind of brushes. So again, I'm going back and forth with my transition shade, because as you know, until and unless you're doing a cut crease, you do not want any harsh lines. Your makeup has to be seamless. And now I'll bring down the color to my lower lash line simultaneously. You have to know that your blending game has to be really strong. But other thing I would like to suggest you is कि initially जब हम अपना product initially लगा रहे हैं, like the first layers we are putting of the eyeshadow, तो आपको बहुत ज़्यादा blend नहीं करना है, because by the end of the process you might lose the real pigment and the color. So we have to blend, but do not over blend initially. By the end you have to make sure कि हर चीज़ इतने अच्छे से blend हो जाए कि it is seamless and it's flawless. Nobody would want to see proper harsh lines in your makeup. So the technique is initially बहुत ज़्यादा blend नहीं करो. By saying this, I do not mean कि initially blend नहीं करना है. Initially blend करना है, but not like you don't have to overdo it. See, everything is bad in excess. I'm sure all of you know that. So yes, just go back and forth with the brush, with the colors, and now what? What's the next step? Okay, so now it's time to use some concealer. Guys, I am not doing a cut crease makeup, so do not get confused. Even though you'll see that I'll be creating some kind of crease with the concealer right now, it is only because I want my color, the other color I'm going to use, to pop out. Ultimately, I'm going to blend everything together, and एक कट क्रीज आई शेडो मेकअप की तरह इसमें एक बाइफर्केशन नहीं होगी. There would not be a prominent line. Everything will blend together. So whenever you want any color to pop out, it's a very good trick to use some concealer, a light colored concealer. So it's really gonna help you, you know, bring out the beauty of the other color you are using. आपको कोई भी confusion हो, so you can always comment below, or you can always get in touch with me on other social media platforms. So basically हम cut crease तो नहीं कर रहे हैं, so we'll again go back with a darker shade, the metallic shade, to create a smoky look towards the outer corner. And once we're done with that, we're going to decide what color we really want to fill in on the lid. So let's go with the purple. And this purple, you can see right now, it's not very pigmented right now. थोड़ा सा dull लग रहा है. So basically ये जो color है, it's a bit shimmery, not very shimmery, mildly shimmery. So अभी हमने जब directly इसको apply करा है, उसका shimmery effect इतना ज़्यादा evident नहीं है. So for that, I'm going to spray some makeup setting spray. First, I'll take the color in the brush. I'll set it with some, makeup setting spray. I'll put that on my brush, as you can see right now. And now you'll see that the pigment that's going to come on your eyelid is completely different. So yes, this is a very important hack I learned from some big renowned makeup artist, and it is super helpful, trust me. Can you see that sheen, beautiful purple color popping out, and there is no evident line there? So that's what we want to achieve. We do not want a cut crease right now, so we have to blend everything together. I'm going back and forth with sometime the metallic shade, sometime the transition shade. So do whatever it takes to, merge everything together into one picture. It cannot be into bits and pieces. It has to be a single thing. And now it's also time to, put some eyeshadow on your lower lid. You can of course decide the colors, color scheme, everything according to your taste. I was very excited for this step because this is my new infallible gel crayon. Trust me guys, it glides so smoothly. It's kind of a turquoise color and it's beautiful. I was super excited to use it. In fact, you can use any other color, whatever makes you feel good, whatever makes you feel comfortable. So I'll also put it in the inner corner of my eyes, and it's such a gorgeous color. अब अगर आपको फिर से ज़रूरत लगती है कि आपको लोअर लैश लाइन में फिर से आई शेडो लगाने की ज़रूरत है, देन गो अहेड विद दिस. ये लाइन आप कितनी थिक करनी है, इट्स अकॉर्डिंग टू योर कन्वीनियंस. इफ़ यू डूइंग इट प्रॉपरली. सो जैसे अभी हमने काजल लगाया था, तो इट्स वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट कि आप उसको कोई भी पाउडरी सब्सटेंस से ओवरलाइन करें, सो दैट इट डज नॉट स्मज. So yes, it's a very optional thing कि आपको कितना thick चाहिए lower lash line. And now just highlight your inner corners a bit. It's also an important step. Oh, now it's time for the game changer step. Trust me, eyebrows make all the difference. If sometimes you don't want to do anything, just tame those brows and you're good to go. And before, this is again an optional step. If you want some neatness, some cleanliness on your, below your brows, so you can use a concealer very gently. And unexpectedly, I would tell you guys, so this is the Brow Artist Expert again from L'Oreal. As I told you, I'll be using only L'Oreal products for the eye makeup. So I wasn't very sure if this is going to be a great product, but surprisingly, it was amazing. Generally, I'm not a very big fan of, eyebrow pencils. I use more of powdery products for my eyebrows. So the trick is keep use a very gentle hand, very light hand. You don't want to look रामायण का या रामलीला का बंदर. So make sure that your brows are not super dark. They have to look natural. After I have curled my lashes, it's again time to highlight the brow bone. This is also an interesting step. Like, highlighting is one of my favorite, I'm sure you know. And now back to the game changer once again. So these are few things which actually act as a game changer. So be it your brows, a bit of mascara. So this is again from L'Oreal Paris Volume Million Lashes Mascara. So it's a great product as well. I would put the details below just in case you want to check out the product. And now this again is a product from L'Oreal as expected. So this is again a beautiful product, is the Super Liner Superstar Duo Designer Gel Eyeliner. So on one side it has a kajal and on one side it has this pencil, and I've been using this product for a very 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 long time now. In fact, this particular stick lasted for more than a year. It's been more than a year. And this lipstick is also from L'Oreal. So if you want me to mention the shade, I would definitely mention it below. And it's a beautiful color. It was gifted to me, and it's a beautiful color. And I will just mellow down the effect using a powder. It's my habit to put one color and then put powder and then top it up with another color. So it really helps you to make your lipstick long lasting. This one is again from L'Oreal. I'll mention the shade and I'll just pop it out with some eyeshadow. Okay, so this purple color in between is the eyeshadow, and I'll put a bit, just a bit of gloss for all the effect. Now it's turn for the optional step, but yes, in case you know how to put falsies, and if you have falsies and time for it, then it's a great idea to use them, because it makes your eye makeup look so good. It actually makes your eye makeup look so good. But one thing you should keep in mind is that do not use a bad quality lash or a very cheap lash, because that feels very heavy on the eye and it also looks very tacky. So this one is from Nykaa. It's only for 199 rupees. The glue that came with it was terrible, but the lash is good.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go.
Hope you like the video. Do not forget to share your reviews in the comment section below.